Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Are you interested in making money using the latest AI technology? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 ways even a beginner can make money using ChatGPT, the powerful AI language model trained by OpenAI. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or just looking for new opportunities, these methods are simple and easy to implement. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of ChatGPT and money making. One way for beginners to make some money using ChatGPT is through content creation. If you have a passion for a particular topic, you can use it to generate ideas and improve your writing skills. This way, you can create engaging and valuable content that will resonate with your audience. Whether it's writing blog posts or creating videos for social media, using ChatGPT can help you come up with fresh ideas and create content that your followers will love. So, if you're looking to make money, start by creating killer content today. Here is a list of platforms that people can use to make money with the content they create. 1. YouTube. Create video content on a topic of your choice and monetize your channel through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. 2. Medium. Publish articles on Medium and earn money through the Medium Partner Program, which pays you based on the engagement your articles receive. 3. Patreon. Build a community of followers who support your content through a monthly subscription model, and offer exclusive perks and benefits to your patrons. 4. Udemy. Create online courses on a topic of your choice and earn money through course sales. 5. Twitch. Live stream your content, whether it's gaming, cooking, or music, and earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and donations from your followers. 6. Instagram. Post photos and videos on Instagram and earn money through brand partnerships, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. 7. WordPress. Create a blog on WordPress and monetize your content through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. 8. TikTok. Create short-form video content on TikTok and earn money through brand partnerships and sponsored content. 9. Skillshare. Create online courses on Skillshare and earn money through course sales and royalties. 10. Fiverr. Offer your content creation services on Fiverr and earn money through freelance work, such as writing, graphic design, or video editing. Another great way for beginners to make money with ChatGPT is through language translation. ChatGPT can be used to translate content from one language to another, which is a valuable service for businesses and individuals who need to communicate with people from different parts of the world. As a beginner, you can offer your language translation services on freelance platforms or even create your own translation service. You can specialize in translating specific languages or work with a variety of languages. With ChatGPT, you can easily translate text or speech, and ensure that the translation is accurate and natural sounding. So, if you have a strong command of multiple languages and want to make some extra cash, offering language translation services with ChatGPT can be a great option. Just find the right platform or create your own service and start translating. A list of platforms where people can offer their translation services. 1. Upwork, a freelance platform where you can offer your translation services and connect with clients from around the world. 2. Fiverr, a freelance platform where you can create a gig offering your translation services, set your own rates, and connect with clients. 3. Pros.com, a platform specifically designed for professional translators, where you can create a profile and find translation jobs from clients and agencies. 4. Translators Cafe, a job board and community for translators, where you can find translation jobs and connect with other professionals in the industry. 5. Gengo, a translation platform that connects translators with clients for translation projects of various sizes and complexities. Another way to make money is through chatbot development. ChatGPT can be used to develop chatbots that can be used for customer service, sales, and marketing purposes. As a beginner, you can learn how to build and deploy chatbots using online tutorials and courses. There are many resources available online, including free tutorials on YouTube and Udemy, that can teach you how to use ChatGPT to build chatbots. Once you have gained some experience in chatbot development, you can offer your services to small businesses and individuals who are looking for chatbots for their websites or social media channels. You can specialize in building chatbots for specific industries, such as healthcare or finance, or offer your services to a wide range of clients. Chatbot development can be a lucrative field, and with ChatGPT, you can easily create chatbots that are intelligent, responsive, and personalized. So, if you have an interest in programming and want to make some extra money, consider learning how to build chatbots with ChatGPT and offering your services to businesses and individuals. ChatGPT can also be used for content moderation, which involves reviewing and moderating user-generated content on websites and social media platforms. With ChatGPT, you can easily identify inappropriate content, such as hate speech or spam, and ensure that the platform's content policy is being followed. As a beginner, you can offer your content moderation services to small businesses and individuals who need help with monitoring their website or social media accounts. Many businesses may not have the time or resources to monitor their accounts regularly, and that's where you can come in. You can offer your services to moderate comments, posts, and messages, and ensure that the content posted is appropriate and meets the platform's content policy. You can work with a variety of clients and specialize in specific industries or platforms. Content moderation is an important aspect of online presence for businesses and individuals, and with ChatGPT, you can make the process easier and more efficient. So, if you have an eye for detail and want to make some extra cash, consider offering your services for content moderation with ChatGPT. Lastly, as a beginner, you can make money with ChatGPT by developing virtual assistants. With ChatGPT, you can easily create virtual assistants that can help people with various tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and booking travel arrangements. As a beginner, you can learn how to build virtual assistants using online tutorials and courses. There are many resources available online that can teach you how to use ChatGPT to build virtual assistants. You can specialize in building virtual assistants for specific industries or offer your services to a wide range of clients. Once you have gained some experience in building virtual assistants, you can offer your services to individuals and small businesses who are looking for assistance with their daily tasks. Many individuals and small businesses may not have the resources to hire a full-time assistant, and that's where you can come in. You can offer your services for tasks such as managing schedules, booking travel arrangements, and managing emails. With ChatGPT, you can ensure that the virtual assistant is intelligent, responsive, and personalized to the client's needs. Building virtual assistants can be a rewarding field, and with ChatGPT, you can easily create virtual assistants that can help people with their daily tasks. So, if you have an interest in programming and want to make some extra money, consider learning how to build virtual assistants with ChatGPT and offering your services to individuals and small businesses. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used by beginners to make money in a variety of ways. Whether you are interested in content creation, language translation, chatbot development, content moderation, or virtual assistant development, there are many opportunities to use ChatGPT to generate income. As you explore these different options, remember to keep learning and developing your skills. Take advantage of online tutorials and courses to expand your knowledge and capabilities. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your ChatGPT skills into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time career. So, if you're looking for a new way to make money, consider harnessing the power of ChatGPT and discovering the many possibilities it has to offer. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content about AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.